Hi, this is my review for the digital kitchen scale, food scale. You can use it for food. I personally use it for shipping products online. So I use it to weigh to see how much I would pay for shipping. You can use it to weigh anything. It's really good for like small things, little things. You can use it for heavy things also, but not very large because it might not fit on the scale itself, and it's kind of like off to the side, and it's not going to grab all the weight. So this is the top. This is the bottom. This little thing is just to elevate it off the surface. Here's where we put the batteries. Okay, they're AAA batteries, so just two. Sorry, let me close this. Okay, so this is the button to turn it on, and then it just turns on like that. And this is to change it, kilograms, grams, pound, ounce. I prefer to use ounce, and then if it's something really heavy, I'll go to pound. So for example, let's say I'm gonna ship this product, so I put it here, and then it says 23 ounce, which is pretty heavy, so I'm gonna switch it to pounds, and then it's 1.4 pounds. So that's how I know, for me, for shipping, what I'm gonna ship it for. So that's basically how you use it. You can take it off, scale goes back to normal, and it's really great. I've used it for months, and I've had the same batteries in it, and I've never changed the batteries since I purchased it, and I've had it for months. I purchased it actually in 2021, so had it for a couple years, and it's been great. So definitely check it out if it's something that is fits your needs and it's something you need. Give it a look. So hope the review was helpful.